Looking for a reliable broker and wondering if Moneta Markets could be the one for you? Well, here's what you need to know. Hi, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire, and our team of traders and analysts have more than 10 years of experience reviewing brokers, digging into hidden costs, and spotting red flags. So we know what makes a broker worth your time or one to avoid. In this review, we'll take a close look at Moneta Markets, covering trust and safety, fees, the range of instruments, and more. We'll also walk you through their trading platforms and highlight the features that matter most. And finally, we will give you our honest opinion. Is Moneta Markets the right broker for a trader like you? Let's kick off with the number one question on most people's mind. Can I trust this broker? Well, Moneta Markets has grown fast since launching in 2019 and now has 5 global entities. 3 are regulated by top-tier authorities in the UK, South Africa, and the UAE. Another is regulated by a lower-tier authority in the Seychelles, and there's also an unregulated entity based in St. Lucia. So what does this mean for you in practice? With 4 entities under strong regulation, you're better protected. Firstly, all 5 entities keep client funds in segregated accounts. This protects your money. It's kept separate from the broker's own funds. Most entities, except the one in the Seychelles, also provide negative balance protection, which means that whatever happens in the market, your account cannot fall below zero. In the UK, clients are additionally covered by the FSCS compensation scheme, which protects up to £85,000 if the broker goes bankrupt. On top of that, we found Moneta Markets to be fairly transparent. Its legal documents are easy to access, and it even displays live spreads directly on its website. The main concern is the St. Lucia entity. It isn't regulated, and even though the broker says it offers the same protections, there's no independent authority making sure of that. So when it comes to trust, we had to lower what could have been a very high score, bringing it to 4.2 out of 5. Next, we checked fees. How does Moneta Markets compare to the other brokers? They offer 3 account types: the spread-based direct STP and the commission-based prime ECN and ultra ECN. To get a clear picture, we tested spreads on their direct STP CFD account during peak hours in both the London and New York sessions. Here's what we found. Take a look at the table on the screen. Spreads were generally very competitive across most asset classes. The lowest were on commodities like gold and crude oil. Forex spreads during the London sessions were average to high, but during the New York session, they dropped well below the industry average, especially on minor pairs. Shares, stock indices, and crypto CFDs were also much lower than the industry average. As for the swap fee, what you pay to hold trades overnight, they were right in line with the industry average, though of course those can change over time. And it's good to see that there are no charges for deposits, withdrawals, or inactivity. Overall, Moneta Markets look competitive compared to the rest of the industry and works well for both short-term and long-term traders. And if you want raw spreads starting from 0.0 pips, their ECN accounts are available, though those come with commissions. So bottom line, Moneta Markets earns a solid 4.7 out of 5 for fees. Another thing that impacts every trade is the broker's platforms and tools. Here, Moneta Markets offers a wide range of options for all types of traders: MT4, MT5, and their own custom platforms: ProTrader, AppTrader, and CopyTrader. Firstly, if you rely on automated strategies or advanced charting tools, you can access MT4 and MT5 on desktop, web, and mobile. The desktop version is best for experienced traders with full EA support. There's also an alpha generation plugin that adds extra indicators and trading signals. The web version is more basic and easy to use for newer traders, while the mobile app lets you manage positions on the go. Moneta has also built their own platforms. ProTrader is feature-rich with over 100 built-in indicators and TradingView-powered charts. AppTrader gives you real-time trading signals and AI market buzz news updates, all in a simple mobile app. And the CopyTrader app lets you view the performance of over 6,000 traders and automatically copy their trades with a single tap. Now let's take a closer look at 2 of these: ProTrader and the mobile AppTrader. Here we have the Moneta Markets ProTrader platform. The charts are powered by TradingView and offer a clean, easy-to-use layout. On the right-hand side, you'll find the trading ticket along with a watch list of all the different asset classes available to trade. At the bottom right corner, you'll also find the market info and news announcements from various sources. The platform supports multiple timeframes and charts, and there's also a wide range of indicators that can be added to the chart with just one click. You'll find plenty of drawing tools too. These include basic tools like trend lines, rays, and horizontal lines, along with advanced ones like Fibonacci levels, Gann levels, and even harmonic trading patterns. Drawing on the chart is simple, and you can customize your lines with different colors and settings. Placing a trade is also very easy. Just click the buy or sell icon, select your order type, market, limit, or stop, and add your stop loss and take profit levels. One-click trading will open the trade at the bottom right, and the trades can be managed directly from the chart by dragging the stop loss and take profit levels to adjust the order. This setup is great for short-term traders, day traders, and scalpers who need to act quickly. Overall, the Moneta Markets ProTrader platform is simple to use, highly functional, and suitable for traders of all skill levels. Now let's take a look at Moneta Markets mobile app for iPhone. The home section displays all the asset classes available to trade, including Forex, commodities, indices, metals, share CFDs, and more. To open a chart, simply click on the market. For example, Euro US dollar. At the bottom, you'll find several indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and MACD, which you can easily add to the chart. You'll also see trader sentiment and different time frames available to view. The pencil icon lets you draw trend lines, horizontal lines, and perform technical analysis directly on the chart. To place a trade, simply press buy or sell. This opens a trading ticket where you can choose the order type, market, limit, or stop limit. You can also enter your volume, stop loss, and take profit levels. Select the one-click trading feature if you'd like, and then just confirm the trade. The Discovery tab is another great feature. You can browse over 6,000 different copy traders to follow and review their performance. You can also join the trader community, view 24/7 news announcements, check the economic calendar, and access technical analysis on different instruments. There's also a newsletter and even a Forex TV channel. So this mobile trading app comes with some great features. It is especially useful for beginner traders, news-focused traders, and those who rely on technical analysis. So overall, Moneta Markets has put together a strong lineup of platforms and tools. For that, we're giving them another high score, 4.7 out of 5. So far, so good, but will they slip up at the final hurdle? Do they offer a wide enough range of instruments? Moneta Markets has over 1,050 CFDs to trade. That includes 66 currency pairs, 23 commodities, 33 indices, 57 ETFs, 7 bonds, 59 cryptocurrencies, and more than 800 share CFDs. This makes them a strong choice for multi-asset traders, since the range in each category is well above the industry average. The selection of 59 cryptocurrencies really stands out. Most CFD brokers only offer around 10 to 20. So thanks to this broad and diverse selection, we're giving Moneta Markets once again a solid score of 4.7 out of 5. Okay, so all things considered, here's our honest opinion of Moneta Markets. And in case you're wondering why you should trust it, at FXEmpire, we're not just analysts, we are traders too. We review more than 80 brokers every year, and we've got over a decade of real trading and industry experience. So everything I am sharing comes from first-hand insight into what really separates the best from the rest. Now let's break down the key pros and cons of Moneta Markets. On the plus side, Moneta Markets has 4 global entities regulated in the UK, South Africa, the UAE, and the Seychelles. There are over 1,050 CFDs to trade, including nearly 60 cryptos and more than 800 shares. You get MT4 and MT5 on desktop, web, and mobile, plus the Alpha Generation plugin for extra tools. They also have their own platforms, ProTrader, powered by TradingView charts with 100 plus indicators, and the mobile app, which is packed with news signals and copy trading. You can choose from 3 account types, STP and ECN, depending on your style. Spreads are competitive on most assets, and there are no fees for deposits, withdrawals, or inactivity. Research is strong too, with sentiment tools, Moneta TV, market updates, and trading central signals. Support is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and in our tests, we managed to get through to them very fast. But there are some downsides. The St. Lucia entity isn't regulated by a financial authority. One of the support agents we spoke with struggled to answer some basic questions, so support's not always reliable. And there are no live trading webinars. So with all of that in mind, let's answer the big question. Is Moneta Markets the right broker for you? It's a strong fit for social and copy traders thanks to the ProTrader app, which is easy to use and offers over 6,000 signal providers in 12 languages. Scalpers and day traders are well supported by the ProTrader platform and its tight spreads with features like scalable charts, depth of market, and one-click trading. News traders get plenty of support from Moneta TV and the Trading Central package, which includes an economic calendar, sentiment tools, and trading ideas. Automated traders will appreciate the free VPS, making it easier to run expert advisors on MT4 and MT5. And with a wide choice of platforms, lots of instruments, tight spreads, and competitive swap fees, Moneta Markets also works well for swing and casual traders. But they're not suitable for investors as they don't offer real stocks. All in all, we are giving Moneta Markets an impressive 4.7 out of 5, as what they're offering is clearly above average. Want to check them out? Click the link down there, or up there, and you'll get the best offer available in your region. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth broker reviews. And while you're here, check out this video. We picked it just for you. It might be just what you're looking for.